What is wrong with this thing? Oh, there, that's better. It's Wednesday, October the 10th. Our IEPs are due today. Mine are done. They've been done for maybe a few days, but then I got an email last night saying that there were some parts that needed to be fixed. And that was a little tough because I was out until about 9 p.m. Didn't have access to a computer, so I had to do it when I got home, which meant that I couldn't go to bed, which meant that I stayed up later than I should have, which meant that I'm a little extra tired this morning. But these are some of the things that happen when you're a teacher or in any job. Something comes up and you have to get it done. Aside from that, things have been going well. Now that IEPs are done, I have to think about progress reports. They're due in the next 2 weeks. I have to write those and make sure that they're ready to go. Things are explained in a way that parents understand. And so it seems as though when one thing ends, there's something else that picks up the time that you think that you might have that's free, but really it's not. So after the progress reports, then I think there's a little bit of free time until Christmas. And then, I don't know about other people, but I start to think about term 2 IEPs because they're probably due sometime at the end of January. And then I also start thinking about first term report cards and kind of starting to piece them together. And then looking at my planning and what's happened during the first term and whether I need to adjust for the second term. So things are rolling along and there's never a shortage of work, but I'm still feeling good. Things are going the way they should. Maybe a little bit, I feel like I'm living on the edge sometimes with my deadlines, but there's not much I can do about that. I gotta go with my home life and what's going on there and roll with that, and then go with my school life and what's going on there and do my best to balance the two out and bring them together when they need to come together.